stack them high by the hold. All right, next batch coming up.
These raw sea cucumbers are being transported from the fishing docks to the complex, as the drying factories are usually located inland.
Okay, lot number 42B is clear. Send the next pallet forward. Make sure the manifest matches the tags.
This clearly prepares the next stage of the trawling, gutting and cleaning in batch 2.
This cavern's wet processing hall is designed for maximum efficiency. The raw sea cucumbers are thoroughly washed to remove This clearly prepares the next stage, blanching and enzyme deactivation in batch 3.
This happens because elevated temperature denatures spoilage enzymes. Excess surface water interferes with drying efficiency.
Here in the dehydration hall, blanched sea cucumbers from batch 3 are carefully moved into the hot air tunnels to remove moisture for shelf stability.
This happens because high-velocity air strips moisture from internal tissues.
This happens because humidity must be reduced gradually to avoid surface hardening. This happens because moisture migrates outward during extended heating cycles.
According to the data, we are hitting the target texture. Good. The shrinkage looks uniform across these trays.
Secondary drying equalizes internal moisture and locks long-term texture. This happens because static drying alone leaves uneven water pockets.
The humidity level is dropping steadily in Zone 3.
Good. We need to maintain the current airflow to ensure firmness. Place the blue spacer right here to ensure the channel is clear. Okay, I have the next one ready.
Container Alpha Gamma 2 cleared for hold 3.
Roger, descending now.
Fully loaded with vacuum-packed dried sea cucumbers, these containers represent Batch 8, awaiting the next stage of import logistics.
Are the sea cucumber manifests matching the reefer data?
Yes, customs pre-cleared this shipment.
Seal number 7B942 matches the manifest.
The sea cucumbers look good. Vacuum sealed.
Verified. Releasing the hold now.
Long-distance inland distribution often relies on rail networks.
The dried sea cucumbers move along the roller beds, passing beneath the RFID scanners.
Here are your sea cucumbers, sir.
Thank you very much.